Okay, here we go. It is June 27th. Sitka, Alaska. Tom Tate battling big king salmon. Hooked it off the bottom. Set the jammers. Got sun shining today. Hunter. Wishing he could catch one. What do you think, Tom?
Hard to say.
Hard to say. Hard to say. Looking good, though. Looking good. Matt already gave it a super duper rating.
5 stars, super duper, unbelievable.
Alright, we've got bait all over the surface this morning. Roy Tushoff hooked a nice king salmon on the first drop. Good job, Roy!
Shout out to Roy.
Little shout out. Woo! Little how you doing? Alright, this fish is coming your way here. The Hunter, you may have to go underneath him. Little Chinooki shuffle. That's how we roll. Oh, we got a man down. We got a man down. We got a man down. Come on, Tom. And he's up. He's up. Safe. Safe. Fish is still on.
We gotta give him a 10 count.
Let's get a look. Let's get a look. Here we go. Oh, this one's going to be 28 pounds. I can feel it. Good reel down, lift. Oh, he's got this. This is, Tom has the original Angling Unlimited hat. It's his good luck hat. He's caught more fish with that hat. Whoa. There it is, king. Going for a little run. Oh, he almost jumped. All right, we'll get a good look, decide what we're going to do with it. There it is. It's, oh, he's hooked good. Just strong fish. You let us know what you want to do, Tom. Matt will give you a fairly accurate estimation of the weight.
17 pounds. Bigger out there.
There are. All right, we're going to release that fish and go for bigger. Oh, he's hooked in the cheek. That's what the deal is. Hooked in the side of the cheek. Keep a little pressure on there for him, Tom, and keep that lead off his face. There it goes. Good work. Woo!